How to install. Remove the instrument and all accessories. Mounting bracket. Arrow direction up, aligning hose, stick it in. When you hear D, the connection is in place. Insert the funnel hose into the water inlet. Plug it in when you hear D. Insert the hose into the overflow. Plug it in when you hear D. Catch it in a container. Straighten the funnel hose perpendicular to the ground. Fill the funnel with about 200 milliliters of pure or distilled water. Until there's water coming out of the overflow. Remove funnel hose and tubing by pressing down on metal tabs. Connecting the power supply. Turn off the power and unplug the power cord before refilling with water. Insert the funnel into the water filler below. Insert another tube into the overflow above. Fill the funnel vertically and refill it with water. Just until water flows out of the overflow. Remove the funnel and the overflow tube. Small cold hammer. Big cold hammer. Display the current page handle model number. Time. Sedation and repair. Tap Start to begin cooling. When you tap Start, the handle lights up blue. Use with gels or essences or when applying a mask. Move slowly in a circular motion. Sterilize the handle with 75% alcohol cotton pads and wrap the handle with gauze. Work over redness or reddened areas in a stamping motion while applying the repair mask. Apply the gel or essence evenly over the operated area or while applying a mask, moving slowly in circular motions. A small cold hammer handle can be used around the mouth and nose. Jigs can use a big cold hammer handle. Wrap the sterilized cold hammer handle with gauze. Operate by stamping at the operating site. Insert the funnel into the lower spout. Insert another clear tube into the upper overflow opening. Water is discharged from the funnel. You need to take a container to catch it. When the water is drained, press the catch to pull out the funnel.